Hi guys, welcome back to the vlogs. So this isn't the video that I wanted to upload today, but I had a really hard week. If you guys don't know, I'm Haitian, and the earthquake that hit Haiti last Saturday really took me in a interesting place. It's a huge trigger for me. If you don't know, my dad passed away in the last earthquake, so conversation around earthquakes and Haiti in the same sentence, huge trigger. In any case, it got me thinking about how much I miss my family, how much I miss my brothers, my mom. So I went digging into the archives, and hold and behold, I am the queen of filming and not uploading. So I hope that you enjoyed the footage you're about to see. It was back in June when my brother actually visited. He was in town because we were supposed to get married, but that didn't happen. A story for another day, but I hope that you enjoy. Hey guys, so today's oh, I don't know what today. What's today's date?
Friday.
Today is Friday. No, it's not. Oh, it is Friday. Anyways, my brother is in town. Woo woo! Hi, broski.
Hey! It's May 28th, by the way.
May 28th, by the way. We like broski. He's in town because we were supposed to get married this weekend, but it's not happening. Anyways, look, he is such a chef. He is making this wonderful dish situation. This is supposed to go on top of pasta. We also have this little girl in my house. Hello, little girl.
Come, that's soon. Cat is upstairs.
The cat is upstairs?
Yeah.
Aww. Sylvester's being antisocial.
Sylvester.
I know, Sylvester, come. Anyways, yeah, basically I'm having family time and I'm enjoying it.
What's that?
Stan is right there. Having her around is giving me total baby fever. Look, this is this homemade garlic butter situation. Oh my god, I should show you guys. Where is it? Alright, Vlad, you're gonna have to give them the recipe. So my brother made this quick things earlier. He apparently roasted some garlic. What else did you put in there?
Fresh garlic. So basically you roasted the garlic.
It smells really fresh, smells good.
Yeah, and in the garlic you put, before roasting it, you put like olive oil and a little bit of pepper.
Salt, olive oil.
No, olive oil and pepper.
Olive oil and pepper on your garlic.
Yeah, and then you roast it.
Okay, here's the recipe, y'all.
Yeah. And
What else do you do?
And when you're done roasting it, now it's gonna be really soft. So you smash it, you mash it.
Okay.
And then you add butter, and you mix it together. And then all you have to do is spread it over some bread or whatever you like.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. You are going to roast some bread with some nice homemade garlic butter, and it's going to change your life. It's going to look like this. Oh, you see that? I'm about to have this with my pasta. Yes, that was the sound of happiness. I hope you heard that.
Double roast.
Oh, you roasted twice?
Yes.
Okay, the chef said you gotta do it twice, okay? And yeah, it looks delicious. Anyways, my brother Loki has a cooking channel. Do you want me to shout you out?
Yes.
He was like, yes, go over and subscribe. If you want to follow my brother, because he's honestly such a chef. Vlad, where did you even learn how to cook like that?
Grandma.
Grandma?
Yes.
Grandma used to know how to cook?
Yeah, she taught me the most thing. Dad taught me how to cook rice. Mom taught me how to season meat.
Yeah, mom's good with that.
But then grandma taught me how to cook. Like cook.
Really?
Yes.
I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. I feel like I've just learned so much about like.
So a lot of the food that I cook,
Yeah.
especially when we're home, a lot of the food that I cook is basically that's her touch.
It's grandma inspired.
Grandma inspired. Like
God.
The basic part. But
If you don't go subscribe and learn grandma inspired seasoning and cooking,
Yes.
I don't know what you want to do. I will put his link down below, you guys. He has a few videos on his channel already teaching you how to make this beautiful meals. Look at this. This is chicken and shrimp.
it's just chicken shrimp and with vegetables. So I have minced garlic in it. I have
Minced garlic, okay.
green and red pepper,
Okay.
mushroom, and I have basil leaf in there, like minced basil leaf, and then some green onion. There you
Green
go.
onions, okay.
There we go.
Vlad, I mean, you're gonna have to drop the recipe to this too. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah, this recipe, recipe I've been trying to make it perfect.
yeah.
So we'll see right now how perfect it is. And I have some spice, like the shrimp is not spiced, but everything else is spiced with thyme,
Okay.
cumins,
Okay.
and coriander.
Okay, that's a. I hope y'all caught all that. That was a lot to remember. I hope you got all that, Sess. Did you? Did you take notes? Anyways, I'll put a link to his channel and whatnot down below, so y'all follow him because he's gonna have all these nice recipes on his channel, right, Vlad?
He does correct.
He's being shy about it. He hasn't posted in how long? I'm gonna put you on blast too.
6 weeks.
6 weeks. Why? Because he's in his head about posting. You just gotta do it. Post and walk away. That's the secret sauce. That's the recipe. Post and walk away. Any influencer, don't look at the numbers. Post and walk away. Okay. Anyways, follow him. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done.
Ooh, let's do that. Children, let's go. Compare to me, all that. Yeah. Ooh. Is it a one arm? One arm? Oh, no way. Ooh. Ooh. Look at those fast. Holy shit. I have no excuse. I mean, I'm the best bench warmer. You can beat me. I'm warm bench, but damn.
Why do you have bread?
You like to be served.
Oh yeah, I like to be served as the chef wants me to eat.
That's so woozy woozy.
Rosie Paposi?
Have you ever had
Are you ready to
fennel
eat?
bob before?
Rosie?
I've not had fennel at all.
Rosie?
Oh, you don't love it.
Rosie?
I don't think I have the taste of fennel
Rosie?
seeds.
Rosie?
Oh,
Rosie?
you had the seeds before.
Yeah,
Rosie?
yeah, we have
Rosie?
yeah, seasoning. Okay.
I can see
Yeah, you
you.
can make see of it, right?
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can make see of
But you
it.
can't see my face.
I can see your face.
I feel like it would be bitter. I feel like it would be bitter.
Now
No,
look
no,
up.
it's
You can't see me. Take a picture of me.
it's licorice. Really?
Can you take a
It's-
picture
yeah.
there?
You
want
wait
a
for me.
picture?
For me, it tastes like licorice.
Please.
Okay, but some people say it tastes.
Yeah,
But it tastes
If you ask so
different,
nicely,
like,
of
if you get like,
course. Oh, you're so cute.
okay, this is fennel. The seed would taste.
Okay.
A video. A
You want-
picture.
So the
It's a
seed would
video.
taste-
A video picture.
Do you want to say hi to my subscribers?
Yeah, it tastes licorice.
So the seed will be.
Are you being shy?
Similar to
Yeah.
that.
it's more
No.
creamy. Yeah.
Can I see it? Can I see it? Can I see it?
Oh, you'll see it in a second.
Can't see my face that wants to get a picture in.
That's a lot. Who's that for? I don't know.
That's a lot. No, that's your plate right there.
That's my plate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come beside me,
that's
Tati June. Come beside me.
And that's Rosie Posey's.
Rosie.
Only Rosie?
Rosie Posey, oi, oi.
Alright.
Mine.
This is the true test. Based on how it tastes, that's how people are going to subscribe to your channel. If it doesn't taste good, they're not going to go.
Okay, let's see it.
Wait, I want to make sure I get all of the sauce, you know? Alright, it's a big bite.
And the salad?
It's not good at all. So bad. Wow. I need another bite to make sure I give a nice review. Why am I struggling with this?
Then, Daddy doesn't cook onion spicy.
He doesn't.
What do you think? Is it good or not? She gave him thought. Look at that dancing.
It's so good.
The what?
Oh, let me try though. I'm just like, honestly, I'm not even sitting down. I'm just gonna wolf it all down.
Hey, come beside me.
Good, fresh.
There's like this really good garlic taste, you know? Like you taste the raw garlic. So this is, it's like salad, right? Very good. Is it good? You like it?
I like both.
Short, sweet, and to the point, isn't it? I hope that you enjoyed today's video. We will be back next week with more hair content and some vlogs too. There's actually a ton of vlogs that I've been filming and not uploading. I gotta do better. I know. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.